Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today our topic is about updating data in a table. So first of all, I want to run my query. Select from students and run. I click here. You can see it's my table. I want to add an email address for Katrin here. So how can I do that? So it's pretty easy. I just claim this, and here I just type update, and after that I have to write the name of the table, students, and here I write set email equal to, for example, I should put this in quotation mark, cat at gmail.com. I have to specify this, where first name equal to Katrin, and run the query. So when I come here, I click here, so you can see it's my full query, and I just clean this, select from students and run the query. So when I come here, you can see I have added this email address here. So now I want to update this one. It's Canada. I have to change it to USA or US. So I just come here again, update the name of the table now, students, and here set country US, where first name equal to Katrin. So here you can see the first name for Katrin. Here it's Canada, so I want to change it to US. So I just run the query, and here, so I just clean this and type here select from students and run the query. Click here, you can see I changed this one to Canada. So not only with update we can add new values, and also we can change the values. So that's it about updating the values in a table. So if you're new here, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.